如果一栋接近100年的老屋浮现在你的面前，你会产生怎样的遐想？你会认为它是贫穷而破败的象征，亦或是一处可以重新焕发生机的民居？这是我的老家，重庆市璧山区三合镇天星村，从简陋破旧的老房子蜕变成如今的田园风乡村民宿，这其中又有什么样的故事呢？
Hello everyone, welcome to my hometown. Now, what you can see is the completed renovation of my family's old house. With its bright windows and clean surfaces surrounded by blooming flowers, the place has been transformed into a leisurely farmyard under the family's design. Who could have imagined there have existed moody ground, worm-eaten wooden beams, and soot-blackened stones? The year 2020 have witnessed the battle against poverty. With the continuous progress of rural revitalization, rural development has been improving. Also, the government strongly advocates renovation of old houses by providing special allowances. In April 2021, the ground renovation project of my family's old house commenced. From the initial design, excavation, bricklaying, wall painting, to the later decorations, planting of flowers and plants, and arrangement of the house, everyone was engaged in. Not only did we preserve the original structure and distinctive elements of the old house, maintaining its original charm, but we also combined modern furniture and creative ideas that adds aesthetic that blends ancient and modern. The renovation, which lasted a year and a half, completed and transformed the old house, giving it a new lease on life.
触摸斑驳的墙面，我仍然能够忆起儿时在山间奔跑的快乐时光。而如今的新房，不仅是对空间的重塑，更是对记忆的守护。在新的生活里，依然能够找到那份来自儿时的温暖与感动。
如今，这一带早已形成一片彼此毗邻的新房民居风貌，有越来越多的人选择改造老屋，注入他们新的生机与活力。你看，我们目光所及之处，不仅仅是一栋栋崭新的楼房，更是打赢脱贫攻坚战以来人们对于美好新生活的未来展望。